Hello beauties and welcome. This is Wangly with Two Chic Chicks here to do a hair video. Today our video is going to be on me doing my curly look but using Flexi rods. I'll be using Flexi rods plus I will be using perm rods at the same time because I still have hair that's too short to take on the Flexi rods. But if this is your first time coming, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you are one of my OGs, thank you so much for coming by again and spending your time with me. Okay, I come to you guys with a clean head. Clean hair. I already washed my hair, already conditioned it. I washed it using the Carol's Daughter, and I think this is called the, I'm probably gonna say it wrong. It's the Moni Oil, and this has Moni oil, coconut water, and vitamin E in it. Now, I like it. It's really nice. It has a great lather. I'm doing the first impressions on this, but I've used it a few times, so it's not a first impression, but I like it. The only problem I have, and I've told you all this before, I have to use either a shampoo that has a white base or a clear base, because I have so much white hair that my hair will take on the color that's in the shampoo and conditioner. And I shampoo, the shampoo is okay. Once I get through the shampoo is fine. I believe it's once I put on the conditioner and sit for a while with the conditioner on it. Maybe if I just put the conditioner on and take it on out, that'd be better, because I still have black hair within here, and it kind of tones up and kind of give me a little yellowish look tinge to my hair. So it's not exactly what you call white. It's like an off-white color. But I wouldn't have thought that would have made a problem with that, but it has. And so I have to, after I do that and I sat up under with the conditioner, I turned around and used the Bantu Yellow out. So I could take out that little, starting, you know, like a little yellowy tinge to it. It took it out for me. But I'm about to use the hair milk from Carol's Daughter, which you all can see. I love this. It's just about the rightness pretty much off of it. But I love this as a leave-in conditioner. I love it. Yeah. And this is the hair milk foaming lotion to style my hair with. Now I'm gonna tell you, this I love. And I realized the other thing I needed was to continue to always use as many products that are paraben-free, sulfate-free, don't have all the lies, and I mean not lie, but that don't have all the chemicals, extra chemicals, as natural as possible. This has been, it's a good, love it. I use my tissue paper ends, and that's to keep me just from having frizzy hair. I don't want my hair tight. I just, with a tight curl, I just want it with a curl. Probably like medium or some, a medium curl. So this is pretty much, try to turn around what the back is looking like now. Make sure you do a variation of the sizes of your rollers. Yeah. 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 And now I think I'm at the point where I'm going to be using my Flexi rods. So let's begin. It's the Flexi rod. I have to watch how I do it. So I'll roll it over, and then I'll start rolling it down the rod. But make sure you grab and curl all your hair. Roll it.
Yeah.
Now we'll take the curl going the opposite way. So it was winding it going this way. I want to wind it going that way.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it looks pretty decent back there. But I'm gonna sit up under the hair dryer a little while. Okay, beauties, I'm back. And as usual, I'm running late. I'm gonna watch on while we're talking. I'm about to take down my hair. I have already taken down the back to save some time. And then I'm gonna take down. Now I'm about to take down the rod, the flexi rods. I took down the perm rods. Here we go. And as I take them down, I try to twist them out.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, that's what we're looking like right now. So, this is what it all looks like taken down. I think we're looking pretty good right now. I'm getting ready to start pulling them loose, and what I'm going to use, I use an oil when I do that. And this is the Argan Oil by Shea Moisture, 100%. It's pretty good. I like it. This is most of the only time I use oil. Because, you know, you just want to make sure. For me, I just want to make sure that I don't have frizz. And I'm just pulling the back loose and putting my fingers in that. And use as much oil as you need. So if you have dry hair, this will be the prime time to use some oil and be able to get away with it. Unless your hair is thin. Now, if your hair is thin, you know, use products as accordingly. I am a heavy hander when it comes to product.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I had most of it going over here. Need to be filled in. One of my favorite looks. So, that's it. That is the, what was it? The Flexi rods. So, tell me what you thought about it. If you have any questions or anything, please put them in the comment section. If there's any other hairstyles or anything you would like for me to do, let me know. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.